Hello kings and queens, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Bumi and this is more like my first video, so I say to you, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time seeing my posts, please subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. And if you have been here before, thank you for sticking by me. I really appreciate it. So today we're making popcorn. Yes, popcorn. So we pretty much start by melting some butter in a pot. I'm using salted butter, but you can use any kind of butter you find available. Then you add your popping corn to the melted butter and you stir for a while. Then you add your sugar and you keep stirring as well. So as soon as it starts popping, you cover the pot so you don't get everywhere littered. Then you keep shaking, like you need to shake the pot continuously so that your popcorn doesn't get burnt. And that's just it. Your popcorn is just all ready and you can enjoy the way you love to. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.